Hello everyone. So today I did a project on Python. I was learning this project from a YouTube channel called Tech with Tim. So I want to give a huge shout out to them. So this is a simple project of Python. It is a quiz project. First here is print statement. By using this statement, I can just display the output as hello, welcome to the queue. Hello, welcome to the quiz. So this print statement just prints the string with string hello, welcome to the quiz. And then moving on to next, that is I have created a variable called playing, and within variable it is associated with input. So what input does is it tells the user to just input some data. For example, in a player, that is variable equals input, do you want to play game? If I just have to enter some data or input, for example, yes. For example, let's say no. No means what happened? If I just give the input as no, it just went for quit because I have used here a if statement. So what if statement says in this question, what the if statement says is if player is not equals to s, then I have to terminate the program. So I have shown here the player is not equals to s, right? I have entered no, so the code just ended. Now I'm again going to run the program, and it says do you want to play the game? Yes. If I entered yes, it says that now it has moved on here, so this quit is skipped and it has moved on to print. Okay, let's start with the game, right? Let's start with the game now. So this quiz game calculates the score. So initially I have assigned a variable named score which has 0 as the input. So initially the variable is assigned 0, score is assigned 0. So again I have created another variable named answer. So again input is used. So it means it asks input from the user, it asks data from the user. So answer input, what is the full form of API? So I have used here dot lower. So what lower does is lower just converts uh, all the value that I've input into lowercase. So if answer equals if answer equals, that is if answer is equivalent to application programming interface, then it will print correct. All right, then my score will be incremented by 1. So initially the score is 0, and if this answer is correct, then score will be 1. So let's check what is the full form of API. So I'll write APPLICATION, application PROGRAMMING, programming interface. So the full form of API is application programming language, but I have written here I have written a in small letter, that is upper lowercase, and p in lowercase, but I have used here dot lower, right? So even though I write a as uppercase, p as uppercase, my answer will be correct because I have used lower. So just hit enter, so the answer is correct. Now if the answer doesn't match, then it will go to else statement and incorrect will be print. Now I will show you with this example. All right, let's check this. The full form of ALU is, I'll write say anything, app control z, I'll write here app. So it is incorrect, right? Now similarly I have another quiz which is related to this PCI. Now let's say it is peripheral component so it is correct. Now last I have is what the last one is this. Last one is related to the SMS, right? So let's say the full form of SMS is short MESSAG messages SERVIVIC. So it is also correct. And finally, I have just used to display the score. I have used a print statement, and within print statement, I have just printed you got plus. So what does this? The score is converted as the score is written as string because it gives some sense, right? So, so if you say you is a string, so we write it in a quotation. For example, u is a string and n plus 1, so this doesn't give any sense. But if we just make one also a string, then it will give some sense as u1, right? So here score is also written in string, so this is simply the meaning I have said here. And finally, we should give a space right here because it will uh, make our make our print statement look clear, and it is more clear to the user. And then finally, to calculate the percentage, I have just divided by the total questions. That is, I have 4 questions with the score, and then I get the percent. So out of 4 questions, I got 3 correct, so I got 75%. So this is a simple quiz project I just learned today by watching a YouTube video, that is from Take with Team. So this is all for today. Yeah, I am starting to learn daily. I'm trying. And also now what I learned today is I also learned how to push the code in. I also learned to push the code in GitHub. Mm, so I also learned this. So this was for today. I'll see you in next one. I'm just posting everything I learned, and just documenting it. And I'm trying to speak and improve my English. So that's all. Thank you very much.